I have a 1977 Chevy 250 straight six motor over there in that shed, and I've decided to sell it. You'll need a backup pickup truck going to that dock there and slide it on in the back of the truck and you'll be good to go. I was going to install it in a K5 Blazer over there. So let's go check out this straight six engine. There's a pretty nice K5 Blazer over there. I was going to install it in it, but I'll put a bigger engine over there. Right now, let's check out this engine. Nice engine. Nice straight six. Got a starter on it. HEI distributor. Fuel pump. Got a flywheel ready for an automatic transmission. Came out, this straight six came out of a 1977 Chevy Nova. There's a brand new starter on it. There it is. Brand new starter that I use to check the compression on all of the plugs and all the cylinders. All the cylinders average a 175 psi compression, which is like a new engine. HEI distributor. Very nice engine. It's strong at 175 psi. Come around the back, little dart over here. Turn on the light so you can see it. Engine mounts are there. Got a water pump on the front. It's a nice Chevy straight six engine. This is the driver's side, where you have your intake and exhaust connection there. There's your intake and exhaust ports. I don't have the manifolds, but I have this. I got a Rochester monojet carburetor for it. That goes with this engine. It's a nice, fuel economical little carburetor. Should do good on gas. Just get that thing tuned up. Nice little carburetor. Goes with this straight six engine. Yes, I tested this engine at 175 psi for each cylinder. That's the average, which is very good. So this should make a very strong engine. It should last a long time. The driver's side intake and exhaust ports there. The flywheel for automatic transmission right there. I've always loved these straight six, 250 straight six engines. I like all the straight six engines, all of them. They're really strong, cool. They have 7 cam bearings holding it down, holding it together, which makes it real strong. Very nice engine. Very nice engine, yeah, with that brand new starter there. Nice engine. And then again, here's this Rochester monojet carburetor. Should be real economical on fuel. I like that. I like that little carburetor. Really looks cool. I'll just work around a little more. Fuel pump there. HI distributor. Brand new starter. And that's my 1977 engine. Came out of a 1977 Chevy Nova. And this is a 1977 Chevy 250 straight six engine. Good motor. Good straight six motor. And I've decided to sell it. Just look at my profile, find my Facebook link, message me on Facebook, or email me at my email on my YouTube profile. If you would like to have this engine. And this engine is located in Von Ormy, Texas. Yes, Von Ormy, Texas. VONORMY, Von Ormy, Texas. If you're in an area and like to have this engine, well, that's message me at the email and links on my YouTube profile, or message me on Facebook, and we'll and you can come and get this engine anytime at your convenience.